Hello guys, so today is another vlog, and today's vlog guys is a quick review and share. Just want to share you the best for me, the best pocket foldable stand for your mobile. So, yan guys, we have here the Ulanzi MA26 foldable pocket phone tripod. Um, Small, and again, because it's pocket, it's very slim. Imagine guys, this is my hand. So how many inch this? I don't have my meter. So again guys, yeah, this is a quick review, and yeah, I just want you to share this amazing accessories, phone accessories for your smartphone. Phone accessories for smartphone. Again, the Ulanzi MA26. So let's check the pocket tripod, and I'll show you the quality on this pocket tripod. But again guys, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So this vlog guys is for mobile user. For example, if you are mobile vlogger, content creator using your mobile or smartphone, check this pocket size. It's very small and thin holder, mobile holder, smartphone holder. So, without further ado, let's check this phone, guys. You have already white box here. Also, you have the white box. You have the Allen key and done. So, yan, may price pa siya. Tanggal natin yung price. But it's okay, it's fine. Yan. So, this is our display. When you fold the Ulanzi MA26, this is the size, guys. See, imagine. Yan. So, how many centimeter? So, yan. Ang L bracket lang. This is the size. So, it's too tiny. Yeah, it's pocket. So, you can put in your pocket. Yan. When you unfold, you have to open this part. Okay. Yan. And so you can extend. So this is the size if you want to use it. And so of course you can use any of your mobile smartphone. Just clip or clamp. Then you're good to go, guys. Now you have a mobile holder, and you can make vertical and horizontal. Yan. So this is a quick review or vlog on this amazing device from amazing accessories for your smartphone, the Ulanzi MA26. And guys, so it's perfect for content creator, vloggers, or even you can use this as a stick. So, pwede nyo siyang ganyan, vlog ka doon, pwede nyo ihiga, di ba? Marami siyang use. You have multiple use on this pocket size foldable stand from smartphone. So, yan guys, this is a quick review on this pocket Ulanzi MA26. Again, if you want to check all the Ulanzi product that we have here in AB World, you can check to our website, www.abworld.com. And only I can say is this is amazing. At least you have this on your camera bag. So we're not sure. Sometimes we use also our camera for some video clip, especially the smartphone nowadays. You have a clear video, especially if you're shooting only outdoor with the broad daylight. So sometimes I use also my smartphone when I'm doing some vlog. So, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I just want you to share this amazing mobile smartphone accessories, the Ulanzi MA26. Check this one, guys. Again, if you want to check this MA26, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.